everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class, and that has been the class of 134, where we had done your 133 classes in the last classes. And in the same way we talk about for the arithmetical ability, where we had completed your 12th topic, and that has been the 13th topic, that is named as partnership. And that is also been important one. And in partnership also we had done your 15 question in the last classes. Here we're gonna start with your 16th question and the first question of the session. But before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Let's start with the question. So here we go for the next first question of the session, and that, as I told you, beginning the 16th question here. So the question we have as follows: Arun, Kamal and Vinay invested rupees 8,000, rupees 4,000 and rupees 8,000 respectively, and in a business. So Arun left after 6 months, and if after 8 months there was a gain of rupees 4,005 rupees, so then what will be the share of the Kamal? That you have to answer it out, and that has been asked in the RRB examination paper. So that has also been important one here. Let's move ahead and we'll be finding it out. Arun, Kamal and Vinay invested rupees 8,000, rupees 4,000 and rupees 8,000 respectively in a business. Arun left after 6 months. If after 8 months there was a gain of rupees 4,005, then what will be the share of Kamal? This has been asked in RRB. So the options is rupees 8,890 and 1,335, 1,602 and 1,780, and on the same way we talk about it. So let's find it out. This has been Arun, Kamal, Vinay equals to 8,000 into 6, 4,000 into 8, 8,000 into 8. That has been 48:32 ratio 64, which will be in the form 3:2:4. So Kamal's share equals to rupees 4,005 into 2 by 9, and this is 1, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Again it is 10, 3 3s are 9, then 3 3s are 9, and 3 5s are 15. Okay, then again 3 will cancel it out, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, then again 3 4s are 12, and then again 3 5s are 15. So 445 we have, 445 multiplied by 2, and further it will be gone here and it will be further solved. Rupees 50,000 that we have. So with this, sorry, that has been cancelled. 445 into 2 will get rupees 890. Okay, that will be the right answer for this question. We multiplied. Now we go for the next question, and that has been of course the important one and the 17th question of the session here. So we'll go for it. First of all, the 17th question what we have here is to solve A, B and C that enter into a partnership. They invest rupees 40,000, rupees 80,000 and rupees 1,20,000 respectively. At the end of the first year, B withdraws rupees 40,000 where with at the end of the second year, and C withdraw rupees 80,000. What the ratio will this profit be shared at the end of the third year? That has been asked in the hotel management question paper. So we go for it. A, B, C enter into partnership. They invest rupees 40,000, rupees 80,000 and rupees 1,20,000 respectively. At the end of the first year, B withdraws rupees 40,000 with at the end of the second year, while at the end of the second year, C withdraws rupees 80,000. In what ratio? Will the profit be shared? Shared at the end of 3 years. This has been asked in hotel management question paper, and the options for the same is 2:3:5, 3:4:7, 4:5:9, and none of these. And this has been important for hotel management as well as for the competition too, so you have to be focused on it. We will find it out the solution, but before solving it out, you have to be focused according to the question, what the question has been demanding and what the question has been said according to it. So A ratio B ratio C equals to 40,000 first, or they withdraw 36 months. 80,000 12 months plus this is in the 40,000 into 24 ratio 1,20,000 into 24 plus 40,000 into 12 as well. What it will give you? 144 ratio 192 ratio 336. That will give you 3 ratio 4 ratio 7. Now we go for further, and that is we have to talk about it, which is another question, and that has been the 18th question of the session. And the question we have here: A, B, C enter into a partnership. A initially invests rupees 25 lakh and adds another rupees 10 lakh after 1 year. B initially invests rupees 35 lakh and withdraw rupees 10 lakh after 2 years, and C invests 30 lakh. In what ratio should be the profit be divided at the end of the 3 years? The option is 10 ratio 10 ratio 9, 20 ratio 20 ratio 19, 20 ratio 19 ratio 18, and none of these. So we go for it, and that we will have to talk about it. So here we go. A, B and C enter into a partnership. A initially invest rupees 25 lakh and adds another rupees 10 lakh after 1 year. B initially invest rupees 35 lakhs and withdraw rupees 10 lakhs after 2 years. And C invest rupees 30 lakh in what ratio should the profit be divided at the end of the 3 years? This has been that at the end of the 3 years, that has been the question. So we go for it, and that will have to answer it out as well. So the options is 10 ratio 10 ratio 9, 20 ratio 20 ratio 19, 20 ratio 19 ratio 18, and none of these. So we go for the solution here, and that we have as follows. That is the 18th question of the session. So here we go. The question is A ratio B ratio C gives you 25 lakhs into 1 plus 35 lakhs into 2, 35 lakhs into 2 plus 25 lakhs into 1 ratio 30 lakhs into 3, so it will give you 95 lakhs ratio 95 lakhs ratio 90 lakhs, give you 19 ratio 19 ratio 18. That we get as an answer. Now we talk for the next one, which is being of course important here, and that is being the another question. Let's go and find it out for the same. So with the same we go for the next question, that is being the 19th question here, and let's find it out, this 19th question. So the question we have here is, Shekhar started a business investing rupees 25,000 in 1999. In 2000, he invested an additional amount of rupees 10,000, and Rajiv joined him with an amount of rupees 35,000. In 201, Shekhar invested another additional amount of rupees 10,000, and Jatin joined them with an amount of 35,000. What will be the Rajiv's shares in the profit, and then amount of rupees 35? What will be the Rajiv shares in the profit? That of 1,50,000 earned at the end of the 3 years from the start of the business in 1999. So this has been asking SBI PO question paper, and of course that has been important one. So you have to go for it and you have to answer accordingly. Let's go for the first. We will go for the question here, and then after that we will be going to answer it out on the same way. So there we go. The options for the same is rupees 45,000, rupees 50,000, rupees 70,000, rupees 75,000, and none of these. This has been question has been asked in SBI PO, so it is an important one. So share the Shekhar started a business investing rupees 25,000 in 1999. In 2000, he invested an additional amount of rupees 10,000, and Rajiv joined him. Rajiv joined him with an amount of rupees 25,000. So for the same, it will be Rajiv joined him, and with an amount of rupees 35,000. In 2001, Shekhar invested another additional amount of rupees 10,000, and Jatin joined them with an amount of rupees 35,000. what will be Rajiv shares in the profit of rupees 1,50,000 on at the end of 3 years from the start of the business in 1999. This has been asked in SBI PO question paper. An option, as I told you, rupees 45,000, rupees 50,000, rupees 70,000, rupees 75,000, and none of these. So where we go for it. The solution for the same as Shekhar, its ratio equals to Rajiv and Jatan. So for the same, it will be 25,000 into 12 plus 35,000 into 12 plus 45,000 into 12 ratio 35,000 into 24 ratio 35,000 into 12. So it will give you 12,60,000 ratio 8,40,000 and 4,20,000. It will give you the ratio here is 3:2:1. So Rajiv's share here goes to rupees 1,50,000 into 2.6. It will be give you 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 0 0 0 and 0. That is your 50,000. That we get as an answer as Rajiv share. So Rajiv share will be rupees 50,000 here. Now we go for the another and the last question of the session here, and that has been the another important one, which is being your 20th question of the session. Let's go for it. So where we go for 20th question, and the 20th question we have is A and B entered into a partnership investing rupees 16,000 and 12,000 respectively. After 3 months, A withdrew rupees 5,000 while B invested rupees 5,000 more. After 3 months that we have 3 more months, C joins the business with a capital of rupees 21,000. The share of B exceeds that of C, and out of the total profit of rupees 26,400 after 1 year by. The option is rupees 2,400, rupees 3,000, rupees 3,600, rupees 4,800. So we go for it, and first we'll go for the question and then we'll answer it out. A and B entered into a partnership investing rupees 16,000 and rupees 12,000 respectively. After 3 months, A withdraw rupees 5,000. While B invested rupees 5,000 more. After 3 more months, C joins the business with a capital of rupees 21,000. The share of B exceeds that of C. Out of a total profit of rupees 26,400 after 1 year. But so we find it out here, and that has been another we'll talk here. That has been another question, and it will be the next. We'll discuss the rest of the questions in the next coming class, that is of 21 question. So here we go for it. A ratio B ratio C is to 16,000 into 3 plus 11,000 into 9 ratio 12,000 into 3 plus 17,000 into 9 ratio 21,000 into 6, that is 147 ratio 189 ratio 126 will give you 7 ratio 9 ratio 6. So difference of B and C's share equals to rupees 26,400 into 9 upon 22 minus 26,400 into 6 upon 22. It will give you rupees 3,600. Okay, that will get as an answer. Now here we're gonna end up with, we'll discuss the rest of the question in the next coming class, which is of course being the important one of 21 question, and that is of 135 classes. But before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, we're talking about, we had done your chemistry, physics we are dealing with, and we are dealing with chemistry for class 11th NCRT, and physics for class 11th NCRT as well. In terms of it, we are dealing with English vocabulary here. In terms other than this, we had done your reasoning, which is being important for the verbal reasoning, and the non-verbal reasoning, which is important for the competition. In terms of quantitative aptitude, yes, we had started with arithmetical ability. In that, we had done your operation numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplifications, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sums and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership. This is the 13th topic we are dealing here. After completing that, we'll be soon starting with chain rule, and that is the 14th topic. Then time and work, Python system, time and distance, problems on train, boards and streams, allegations on ownership, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skulls, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, commutation and commutation, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd and out series. In data interpretation, we have to cover tabulations, bar graphs, pie charts and line graph. So here we're going to end up with, thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment.